Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content strategy with CoSchedule step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current content strategy. Identify key performance indicators that matter to your business. Analyze existing content to see what resonates with your audience. Conduct a competitor analysis to understand what works in your industry. Sign up for a CoSchedule account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the CoSchedule dashboard. Begin by creating a content calendar within CoSchedule. Plan your content themes and topics for the upcoming week or month. Use the built-in keyword research tool to find relevant topics. Create detailed buyer personas to guide your content creation. Assign content ideas to specific team members with ease. Integrate your social media accounts with CoSchedule. Schedule posts to go live in coordination with your content calendar. Utilize the Headline Analyzer tool to craft compelling headlines. Set up automated social media promotion for your content. Monitor engagement metrics directly within CoSchedule. Use A/B testing to refine your content and improve performance. Review your analytics regularly to track progress. Adjust your strategy based on data insights and audience feedback. Collaborate with your team in real time through CoSchedule. Stay consistent in your content publishing to build audience trust. Revisit and revise your content strategy as needed to keep it fresh. Leverage CoSchedule's templates to streamline future content development. Utilize the Marketing Suite features for email marketing integration. Keep an eye out for new CoSchedule features that can enhance your workflow. This structured approach will help elevate your content strategy and drive better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.